Hello people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I know it's have been a long time and I was thinking that at which topic I should bring up my content. So finally I am here with a brilliant topic and I know you will love it too. So basically while I was living my life, I felt in a problem. Like what problem it could be? Like if you want to be an independent, then you should have a source of money, and if you want a source of money, you need to keep it in something you can say as a bank. Exactly. So today we are going to talk about what is an ATM, and moreover from this word we will raise up to the next words like a credit card, debit card, and what is the benefit of using a credit card over a debit card. So let's begin. First is our ATM card. So what is basically an ATM card? ATM card people might be aware of. Like ATM card is where we can withdraw the money from the machines, but you can't do you can't do online transaction in the ATM card, and what over that you can't get the loans from the bank. Like if you want an emergency loan, then that ATM card could not help you back. So this is about the ATM card. Now let's move to the debit card. Like it is similar to the ATM card. Like you can pay your transactions money, but what is the difference is that in your debit card you will see things written like Visa, like MasterCard or like RuPay card. So these are the things that will make you difference from the ATM card. So with the help of debit card, you can basically withdraw the money and can swipe from the machine. So this is about the debit card, and now let's move to the credit card. So what is credit card? Like it is not very common among the people. Like I will tell you the reason why, because I am here to tell you everything related to this. So why credit card? Why do people refuse that they should not take a credit card, or just like somewhere score people like, hello, yeah, we are talking from the Axis Bank or like etc bank, and we are here to give you a credit card, and the other person will tell you like, no, we don't want a credit card, why you call and disturb us, please don't call, and then exit. So now I will tell you that why you should have a credit card and its benefits over the debit card. So first, like everyone do not have a credit card, as I said. So there is a reason that the thing that they can come under the debt of a credit card, they will not be able to pay back the money. But for sure, my dear ones, if you want to pay the money back, and if you think that it is difficult for you, then I will recommend you to maintain a self-discipline by marking your date of taking money in your calendar, because now what I am going to tell you will blow your mind. So let's talk about but moving to the next, I will tell you the comparison of the debit card and the credit card. Like similar to the debit card, you can do online transaction from the credit card, or you can take an emergency cash. Yes, you heard it right. You can take an emergency cash from the credit card, but can't withdraw the money from the machine. So with every merit there comes a demerit, and that's very important to know. So like every loan has its last time to pay back, right? So in credit card, like you don't have to worry like you have to pay within 10 days or 20 days. Like you can pay it back by solving your problems. Mark the date you have taken loan from the credit card company, and then you can give it exactly the next month. So it's the time to chill. So now let's come to the third question, which is like, why should we use a credit card or a debit card? So there is a reason that you can leverage other people's money. So what does leverage basically means? Leverage is a kind of investment of using the borrowed money. Like you have borrowed a money and you want to use it in the form of investment, or you can say it as a type of loan that is extended to companies or individuals that you already have considered amounts of debt or a poor card credit records. So like in business, you pay with the no profit, but you cannot stay without the cash, right? So like where you use the credit card, you basically borrowing money from the credit card company. Yeah, you are not taking the money from the bank account but from the credit card company, and like assuming that you are paying your balance on time. So from where this money will come out, like if someone has taken if someone has given you the money or you got your monthly salary, then you can pay it back to the credit card company. The bank will not itself take the loan from you. That's the benefit about the credit card. And moreover, like more people are some entrepreneurs or some small businessmen are about to start their business or to do something. So what firstly comes to their mind is to take a loan. And what they do for taking this loan, they go to the bank. But my dear people, I will recommend you to go to the credit card company and have a credit card with yourself. It is very, very useful. So let's come to the second point. Like you can borrow money for free. Yes, you heard it right. From the credit card, you can borrow money for free. And how is that possible? Like if you are paying back the money monthly on a time, then they will give you the money. They will pay you some extra money, and that is because of your honesty, punctuality, or maybe you can say that they are advertising, encouraging you to have more credit card. So this is one of the reason, and this is one of the reason. And now let's move to the third one. Like you can build your credit score, also known as a CIBIL score. So let's see what is this CIBIL score or credit score is. So this is like amazing thing, like if you start taking a credit card and you are taking some small loans on small things, and you are paying back on time every loan you have taken. So and some other day, like you ask for a big loan, so why will the company give you a big loan? Where is the trust that you can give them? That like yes, you can trust me, I am a trustworthy person, I will pay you back the loan I will take from you. The bank will check your CIBIL score, your credit score, and from that credit score they will see that if you are able to pay back the money on time, you are building up your CIBIL score very good, and voila, you will be paid with that big loan because you have gained the trust of the bank. So this is one of the reason where you can build up your CIBIL score and you can take a big loan from the bank without any confusion or without any failure of why you can't take the big loan, and you don't have to ask from the people. So now let's talk about the fourth reason. Like yes, from the credit card you also get rewarded. You heard it right. And what can be the reward? They give you reward in the form of extra money, or even they give you in the form of reward points or traveling points. Like with that credit card, you can travel wherever you wish to. This is the benefit. And many types of the credit cards do not have, but some have this rewarding point which is very beneficial. So I would recommend you that if you want to have a credit card, then just know everything about it. Now let's move to the fifth point, that is the last point. So like, you are a better protector if you have a credit card. Like, let's see how. If someone has used your credit card in some other place, then that credit card company will contact you. They will ask you what to do. And if you want to block, if it is not you as the other person or none of your relatives or someone you know, then you will ask the company to block your credit card. And so the company will block your credit card, and the amount of money you had in your credit card, they will give you a new credit card with the same amount of money. So there is no loss. Or on the other side, like if you talk about the debit card, so they know, like some other random people or a criminal or a hacker know your PIN number. So they will take out the money from the bank, and alas, all your money will be gone, and the bank will not pay you back. So just think what a wonderful advantage of having a credit card. Like but with the credit card, you can contact like if you find someone using your credit card, and if it's not you, then you can yourself contact the credit card company and tell them that someone has used your credit card and it was not you. So they will ask you for the proof, and if they find it right with the evidence you have shown them, they will believe you. They will block the previous one, give you a new credit card with the same amount of money. So my dear people, this is all about what are the ATM card we talked about, and moreover, rising from this word, we have learned about the debit card, the credit card, and the advantage of credit card over the debit card. Hope this information will surely help you out. And my dear students, or the people who are watching, if they haven't created their ATM account yet, then please do it as fast as possible, because you can be a millionaire too if you follow the strategies of a businessman, or like some good strategies by knowing and enhancing your knowledge. It's not a big deal to open a college, to open an ATM at a young age. So I guess you should do it right now. Talk to your parents. Go and ask them that you want to open an ATM bank as a student account, as a working man or a woman. There are types of account. Just know the detail of all of them, like how you can proceed, and just do it. So that's all for today, my dear people. Hope you have liked the video. Please show some love and share this to everyone who wants to know about these terms. And I hope that all things are clear to you. So let's meet the next week. For now, I wish you all the best for your exams. Maybe everyone or most of the people are having this exam this season. So I wish you all the best. Goodbye. Take care. And we'll meet you soon.